Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious side dish, braised bitter gourd with tofu. It is slightly bitter, very soft and tender. Most importantly, it is very flavorful. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings as a side dish. First, make the tapioca flour slurry. Add 50 ml of water to 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Set aside. Cut 320 grams of fried tofu into bite-sized pieces. I recommend using fried tofu or firm tofu for this recipe, as they keep their shape when stir-frying. For 1 block of tofu, I usually get around 12 to 14 pieces. Put it in the bowl and leave aside. Next, cut 350 grams of bitter gourd into half lengthwise. Use a teaspoon to scrape the seed and the white fibers off. Put both pieces together and cut into thin slices. The thickness is as preferred. For me, I like them to be quite thin, so it will become really soft after braising. Alright, all done. Leave aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and 60 grams of crushed garlic. Fry garlic for about 1 minute or until it turns golden brown. After about 2 minutes, the garlic is done. Add all the cut bitter gourd. Stir to coat it with oil. Add about 50 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fermented bean paste or tofu, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. These are all the seasonings. Stir lightly to combine. Add the cut fried tofu and 250 ml of water. Give it a mix. Cover the pan and simmer for 20 minutes. Stir occasionally to cook it evenly and to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 17 minutes, the bitter gourd and tofu are cooked and really soft. The gravy has reduced a lot as well. Give it a taste. It's good and delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. If you are happy with the consistency of the gravy, we can skip the flour slurry we prepared earlier. For me, I like it slightly thicker than this, so I am adding it in. Give it a quick stir. Now the gravy has become really thick and lovely. I am adding just a little bit more water, about 50 ml, so there will be some gravy to eat with rice. Stir to combine. Alright, our braised bitter gourd with tofu is done. Switch off the heat. Now we can dish it out and serve. Garnish with 1 tablespoon of crispy fried shallots. This is best to serve with white rice. Let's eat! Oh wow, it is really good. It is soft and slightly sweet with the hints of bitterness. The gravy is very flavorful and goes so well with rice. Very delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!